In this video, we'll show you how to install MapInstall on your Mac computer. MapInstall is a computer program used to install maps on your GPS device. It is available for both Windows and Mac computers. You can find the MapInstall installer by doing a quick Google search, or you can simply follow the link in the description of this video. Click on the download button to download the MapInstall installer. When the download has completed, you can either single or double click the installation file, depending on the browser you're using. A MapInstall installer will now be shown on the screen. Double click it to continue with the installation. Simply follow the on-screen installation guide to complete installation. When the installation is finished, MapInstall will open. You can close both MapInstall and the installer now. That's the end of this video. Please subscribe for more videos. Here's some videos to watch after this one. The links are in the description.